Alrighty, guys, I just built this house in about 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you some of my tips and tricks for using SketchUp. It can be pretty hard at first. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the very bottom of the left menu. This is your moving tools. This is the rotate tool. So I'm taking my cursor, click, and dragging it, and I can rotate. Another one is the hand. So I can click on an area, pull towards me, and it pulls me over there. I can zoom, but the easiest way to zoom is just take two fingers and roll them on your touchpad, and you can zoom in and out like that. All right, but like I said, guys, this is not going to be easy at first. I just want you to have fun. If that means experimenting and going crazy, fine. All right, I'm going to show you how I do a house. I'm going to scroll down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 button, and it's the rectangle tool. I'm going to click and drag how big I want my house. The next tool is right underneath it. It's the push and pull tool. I'm going to click it, push and pull up. This is how tall I want my house. All right. Now let's do some doors and windows. I'm going to go back to that rectangle tool. I'm going to click where I want a door and maybe where I want a window. And then you can go back into that push and pull tool again and push those babies in, or maybe you want them out. I don't know. I'm going to push them in because it looks realistic. You might want to do a roof, or you might want to leave it flat. I'm going to press the pencil tool. It's the fourth one on the left. I'm going to find the midpoint of a line. So I'm going to drag it. I'm not clicking, and then it suddenly turns blue. That means I found the midpoint, the middle of that line. And I'm going to drag it all the way to the other side until I see that it turned blue over there. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to the move tool. That's the one with the 4 arrows. Click, move, voila. Now I have a roof. And of course, you can go crazy with this. I did like a chimney and stuff on my first one, but let's give it some color. If you go over here to the right, and then you go to the fourth one down, it's a little cube, it's called materials. Now it will give you these random colors here, but if you press the magnifying glass, you can find way more interesting ones, like brick. Maybe you want a different color. There's some really interesting ones. You can do like all the colors of the rainbow. One I really like though, if I scroll down, is glasses and mirrors. So you can make things see-through. So if I go through this window, I can now see into this house and see all of the insides of it. Of course, you can go in, color your house, take a screenshot of what you create today so that way you can add this to your portfolio. All right, now let me give you some secret little tips and tricks. Did you know that you can download things that other people have created? So if I go to the fourth one down on the right side, it says, oh, sorry, the third one down on the right side, components. It says search 3D warehouse. Maybe I want a robot attacking my house. So here are some user-generated robots. Be careful, sometimes they're inappropriate. And you can click and drag something into your world. For some reason this one's not showing up. Let me do a different one. Aha, there it goes. And you can click and drag it where you want. Be careful with these. Sometimes they can be like laggy. Like look how big this one is. They can lag. If you want to turn something, you can go to the move tool on the left bar, press the rotate button, make sure that the rotate circle is flat, click, click again, and you can rotate whatever you put into your world. This would be really cool if you want to do like a movie set or like a game design. So have fun with this. If you have any specific questions, raise your hand. But like I said, you can watch this video as many times as you need till you get it. Have fun today, guys. I'm really excited to see what you're going to create. Don't forget to take those screenshots.